Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install transfer partners in Chase Ultimate Rewards, full guide step by step clearly. To install transfer partners in Chase Ultimate Rewards, start by logging into your Chase account on the Chase website or mobile app. Ensure you have a Chase credit card that earns Ultimate Rewards points. Navigate to the Ultimate Rewards dashboard. Select the credit card account linked to your Ultimate Rewards points. Once in the dashboard, look for the Transfer Points option. Click on Transfer Points to see a list of transfer partners. Review the available airline and hotel partners. Choose a partner that you want to transfer your points to. Make sure you are enrolled in the loyalty program for that transfer partner. If you are not enrolled, follow the prompts to create an account with the transfer partner. Once enrolled, return to the Chase Ultimate Rewards dashboard. Select the partner again from the list of transfer partners. Enter the number of points you want to transfer. Be aware of the transfer ratios, as they can vary by partner. Confirm your selection and review any terms and conditions. Click on the Confirm Transfer button to initiate the transfer. Wait for a notification confirming that the transfer is complete. Transfers typically process within a few minutes, but can take longer based on the partner. Once the transfer is successful, you can check your loyalty account to see your newly added points. Keep in mind that points transferred to a partner are usually final and cannot be reversed. You are now ready to use your points with your chosen transfer partner. Enjoy maximizing your Ultimate Rewards points through strategic transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.